Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to extract mycelium from mushrooms. First, ensure your workspace is impeccably clean. Sterilize all tools, including scalpels and forceps, with 70% isopropyl alcohol or by flame. A still air box or laminar flow hood is crucial for maintaining sterility. Prepare your agar plates in advance, ensuring they are cooled and ready for inoculation. This meticulous preparation is the foundation for successful mycelium extraction. Next, we'll obtain a clean tissue sample. Choose a fresh, healthy mushroom, ideally one that is just opened. Gently tear the mushroom cap or stem to expose the sterile inner flesh, avoiding any contact with the outer surface. With a sterilized scalpel, carefully excise a small piece of tissue, roughly 2 to 3 millimeters in size. This small, clean sample is vital for isolating pure mycelium without introducing contaminants. Now it's time to inoculate your agar plate. Carefully transfer the small tissue sample to the very center of a sterile Petri dish containing the agar medium. Once the tissue is placed, quickly seal the Petri dish with parafilm or micropore tape to maintain a sterile environment and prevent airborne contaminants. Place the inoculated plates in a dark, warm area, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal mycelial growth over several days. Over the next 5 to 10 days, you'll observe white, thread-like mycelial growth spreading across the agar from your tissue sample. Look for strong, healthy growth and identify any areas free from contamination, such as green or black molds. Using a sterile scalpel, carefully cut a small section of this clean mycelium and transfer it to a fresh agar plate. This process, known as a transfer, helps isolate and expand pure mycelial cultures for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.